YouTube, but this one I'm going to stream live on the Roberto Santana Mola account. So let's see. YouTube. Okay. Okay, everyone. Hello, hello. I'm waiting. How many of you here in this class? Is it 28? How many of you here now in this class? 9C. How many of you? And where are you guys? How many of you? Who's the class leader? Hello?
That would be me, Gerald.
Oh, Gerald. Okay. How many of you in this class, Gerald?
There are about 30, I believe.
Seriously? 30? Okay. Okay. Or you're not sure?
Uh, I'm quite confident, but it's probably 30, most likely.
Oh, okay. Okay. Most likely 30. Okay, everyone. The difference between you and 90 was that you did not get any, you did not meet me on Monday, last Monday. Okay. And I noticed that I got a notification. My internet connection is unstable. So please interrupt me and inform me if there is something not right with the uh, delivery of my whatever I'm going to share today. Okay, guys. So I want you now. I'm going to skip the introductory talk. Okay. Uh, Wait, please. I'm going to. I want you to go to uh, a link. I'm uh, taking the link right now. It takes quite some time. Yeah, I got it. So I'm pasting this in the chat. I want you to go here to Nearpod. Go ahead, everyone. Go to chat and click on the link. Or if you don't want to use the link, you can just go to to join.nearpod.com and enter the code 8R5AG. 8R5AG. Go ahead. 8R5AG. Go ahead. Join this Nearpod lesson. 8R5AJ. If you go to join.nearpod.com, or you can use the link I shared in the chat. Okay. While waiting for you, actually, I've already launched an assignment for all ninth graders bilinguals. Okay. And the assignment given to 90 because I met them, but I asked them to share it with you. Hopefully you got it already, but if you haven't, then I hope you can go to my YouTube channel Biomolecule and get the assignment. Okay, the deadline will be next week, Thursday, so it is 1 week assignment. Kenan, oh, Kenan is coming. Oh, come on, everyone, please come and enter. um I'm going to repaste the link in the chat so that Mr. Keenan can use that as again also. So sharenipod.com, blah, blah, blah. You can use that, Mr. Keenan, because you've just arrived. Okay, while others, come on, enter, guys. There are only 12 of you, but this could also happen because of my internet is not stable. Yeah, so that I cannot uh, see the most updated number of participants here. So 16, that's far from complete, from complete. um 21, 21. Come on, join. use the link in the chat or go to join.nearpod.com and input the code 8R5AJ. 8R5AJ. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. And yes, I don't think I can wait for too long because we only have a very limited time. So I'm going to start. Everyone, there are several chapters in buku IPA kelas 9 dari Dinas Pendidikan which belong to biology. But I and Pak Jonas agreed that we are going to put this particular chapter first before we study the other chapters. Why? Because here in this chapter we are still going to talk about plants. Afterward, we are going to talk about animals and or aspects of animals. Okay, so this will be the first chapter we are going to talk about. Okay, reproductive system of animals and plants. Ya, sistem reproduksi pada hewan dan tumbuhan. I'm going to start. So the production of plants will be the first topic subtopic we are going to talk about. Later, we are going to talk about animals. So this is only a picture of a method plants do to reproduce. Okay, one among others. Okay, carry on. So talking about the reproduction in plants, I'm going to first focus on the angiosperms. I really hope you still remember this, that angiospermae adalah tumbuhan berbiji tertutup. Angiospermae, tumbuhan berbiji tertutup. And the opposite would be gymnosperms. Gymnosperms. Gymnospermae. Gymnos means naked atau telanjang. Jadi gymnosperms adalah tumbuhan berbiji telanjang atau tumbuhan berbiji terbuka. Tertutup naon, terbuka naon. Tertutup oleh daging buah. Covered by fruit flesh. Ketutup daging buah. Contohnya gampang. Ingat-ingat aja buah mangga. Bijinya di dalam buah. Daging buah mangga itu yang warnanya kuning. Haozi. Oke. Lalu kemudian apel. Bijinya di dalam buah. Kemudian pepaya, biji dalam buah. Those are angiosperms. Apple, papaya, and mango. I gave example just now. While gymnosperms, tumbuhan berbiji terbuka, itu bijinya nggak dibungkus daging buah. Contohnya mungkin ada cemara dan sebagainya. Pinus dan sebagainya. Okay, so angiosperms will be our first focus now. When you were in grade 8, you've studied these, okay, parts of a flower. We've learned that a flower got pedicel, tangkai bunga, pedicel, tangkai bunga, yeah. And at the end of the pedicel, at the end of the stalk, we got this receptacle, okay, receptaculum atau dasar bunga. This is a platform where every other parts of flowers rest or embedded. So everything is here, rest on this receptacle, on this platform. Okay, receptacle atau dasar bunga. And then we got the perigonium, which the part which make a flower become beautiful. Yeah, kita mengenal ada mahkota, corolla, okay, dan ada kelopak. Kelopak yang hijau ini kelihatan hanya 2, mahkota ada 3, ya. So the green one is called sepal. A group of sepals is called calyx atau kelopak. Semoga masih ingat. Collection of sepals, of petals, ini ada 3, ada 2 lagi harusnya. Kalau ini adalah bunga sepatu. So collection of petals is called corolla atau mahkota. Collection of sepal itu calyx atau kelopak. Collection of petals is called corolla atau mahkota. Semoga kamu masih ingat. If you forgot this part already, please read again. And we learned before that In a complete flower, there are the sex organs, right? The male sex organ is the stamen, remember? Stamen consists of anther atau antera atau kepala sari and filament atau tangkai sari. Stamen itu benang sari. And the female sex organ is pistil atau putik bahasa Indonesianya. Consists of stigma or kepala putik, stylus atau style in English atau tangkai putik, and ovary. Not labeled here. Ovary is outside. Inside the ovary, you got ovule, which is the egg. I really do hope that you still remember this, everyone. Because now we are going to use that memory in doing this race. Everybody get ready because you are doing a race. I want all of you to involve in this short race. Come on, network, come on, be good to me. So time to climb. We are going to climb this mountain. We are going to climb this mountain, and go ahead, choose your avatar, your icon. We are going to race, guys. The way we are going to race up to the summit, to the peak of the mountain, is by Karen is there, and who's that? Is by answering questions. Okay, the the more accurate your answers, the faster your answer, the faster your movement climbing up to the peak of the mountain will be. Yeah, so come on, 18 connected. I'm going to start. Carla, Gerald, Afra, yeah, Marfa, Clarissa, Agnes. Yeah, ready everyone, we are going to race. I'm going to hit start. There are only 26, 27 now. Thank God. Come on in, everyone. I'm going to hit the start button. Get ready. 27. Is there anybody else? Come in. Come on, joining. Come on, 37. Okay. Well, okay. I have to start anyway. I'm going to hit the start button in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Here comes question number 1. The female sex organ found in a flower is called what? What would be your answer for this one? Carla is up there. Clarissa, Galen, yeah, Hotasi, Marvel. Great. Next question. Male sex organ found in a flower. Mentioned before. Ha. Yeah. Carla is still up there. Clarissa, Galen. Yeah, nice. Marfa and Jose. Next question. The third question. The part of a flower which gives the flower its beauty through the beautiful, attractive colors. What do you call it? The beautiful part. Marfa going up. Clarissa, Carla, Galen, Karen. Yeah. Nice. Fourth question. The part on which all the flower's parts rest, which is also the tip of a stalk, is called, it's mentioned before just now by me. Is it still Carla there? Oh, Carla is going there. Marvel, Clarissa, Galen, Karen. Yeah. Last question. Pollination happens when pollen. Which one out of the options is unlikely to become a pollinator? Penyerbuk. Which one? Carla is up there. Marfa, Clarissa. Okay, so at the top we got Carla and then Marfa, Clarissa, Galen, Karen, Jose, and Gerard. Exhausting to become commentator. Okay, it's quite okay. Now match the picture and the category, guys. Go ahead. You only got a few tiles to match. Go ahead, match them. How many tries do you need for matching everything? How many tries do you need to match every pair? Go ahead. How many attempt? How many attempt? How many attempt? How many? Okay, come on, come on, come on. Pair, pair, pair. How many tries do you need for pairing? How many attempts? Carla managed to finish this in only 4 tries. That's awesome. Some need more tries. Valerie also got in 4 steps. Great, 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 great. Come on, come on. Who else able to finish this in only 4 tries? Come on. Yeah. Clarissa also managed to finish this. Great, awesome. Who else? Who else? Carla, Clarissa, Valerie. Okay. Some other 6, 5. It's okay, no problem. No problem at all. 精彩啦. No problem. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, who else? Who else able to finish this in only 4 tries? Oh, come on. Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Aulin? Have you? Have you? Clarissa? Carla? Valerie? Alicia. Yeah, Alicia. Hey, what? Alicia. Good. Who else? Who else? Who else? Able to finish this in only 4 tries. Only 4 tries. Anybody else? Anybody? Find me. Somebody to love me. Somebody to love. Fine. Okay. Do I have to still? Do I have to wait? Do I still have to wait? Do I still have to wait? Who else? Anybody else? Anybody else? 4. Oh, okay. I think I'm going to continue. Okay, guys. I'm going to continue then. Now. Okay. Now, this is only the title, everyone. Perkembangbiakan vegetatif pada tumbuhan angiospermae. Yeah, it's difficult to produce that kind of voice. Perkembangbiakan vegetatif pada tumbuhan angiospermae. Always make me cough. Never mind. That's the title. So we are going to focus. We are going to sharpen our discussion to the vegetative reproduction in angiosperms. Okay, vegetative reproduction in angiosperms. Let's see what we got here. So this is a question. Actually, guys, angiosperms, when they reproduce, they are likely to use either one out of these 2 methods called vegetative and generative. Vegetative and generative. Which one is this one asked in this question? This one is the one which involves the male parent and female parent. Means this one happens sexually. So which one is the one which is sexual, generative, or vegetative? Okay, sexually means it requires the male parent sex cell, the sperm, and the female parent egg cell. Okay, the male parent sex cell, which is the egg. This one, vegetative or generative? If you don't know, just guess. Generative or vegetative, everyone? Which one is this one? Generative or vegetative? Generative or vegetative? Generative or vegetative? Alicia, Kinan, Janice, Agnes, Rafaela, Galen, come on. Evelyn, Christopher, come on. Which one? Okay, then I'm going to close this by opening the answer. Yes, the type of reproduction which involves sperms, eggs, and fertilization process is called generative reproduction. Okay, carry on. If you can answer the previous question, then this one would be a piece of cake. You will be able to answer this in no time. So easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Yeah. Yeah. One music. Come on. This should be a piece of cake, everyone. If the previous one is generative, then this one should be a right. It should be a vegetative. Vegetative. Okay? Vegetative. Okay, so guys, either one, generative or vegetative. Which one do you think is better? Which one do you think is better? Generative or vegetative reproduction? Which one do you think is better? You hopefully already got like prior knowledge about this, but even if you don't, doesn't matter. Go ahead, guess. Okay, which one do you think is better? Generative, which involve the dad and the mom, the parents, or vegetative, just alone. Did you know that lizards, a female lizards, a female lizard can lay eggs, and the egg uh, brings the offsprings to the world, even without the presence of male lizard. This is what we call the parthenogenesis. So if you put a lizard in an aisle, solitary aisle, without male lizard, the female lizard can and will reproduce alone. That's vegetative. That's vegetative. Okay, not sexually, not generative. Come on. Okay, so, okay. There is one. There is two. There are two. Answer three. Answer the vegetative or the generative. Okay, this is awesome. Go ahead, guys. Answer. Okay. Now I'm going to continue. If you choose vegetative, please explain why. If you choose generative, please explain why. Yeah, actually, you can just say, actually, I didn't know. I was just guessing. Or vegetative is better because blah, 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 blah. Or generative is better because blah, 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 rama, ooh la la, ra, ra, rama, ma. What does the fox say? Come on, everyone. You may share your thoughts here. Why do you think your option is better than the other option? Why generative is better than vegetative, or why vegetative is better than generative? While you are sharing your thoughts and answer, I'm going to share with you the link to your assignment. Okay, I'm going to share this. You see in the chat box in on Zoom. I want you to go to this channel and work on the assignment. The deadline will be next week, Thursday. Yeah, Thursday next week. So it will be 1 week. Go ahead, everyone. Come on. Come on. Your thoughts. Why did you answer generative? Why did you answer vegetative? Come on. Is there any problem with the network or something? Wait. Oh, you cannot type? Really? Seriously? Oh, okay. Oh, this happens. This happens, but I really hope we still got time. We got a little bit of time. Hopefully, by the remaining time, you can still respond to this one, guys. Hopefully, would you like to approve students? Yes, I would like to approve student to. Okay. I think you can. I think you can now. Type please. Type please your thoughts about why you choose generative as the better method compared to vegetative, or the other way around. Vegetative better than generative. Go ahead. What would be your reason? What is your reason? What is the reason? What is your reason? The reason. While waiting, I also want to tell you what's in slide 13, guys. Actually, in slide 13, there is another assignment, but I've decided that I want to be a good man. So I'm not going to go to slide 13 today. So I'm not going to go to slide 13, okay? So your assignment will be only one, which is the one found in the video. So one answer already come in. Clarissa, I think she said, you can see it by yourself what Clarissa think. Okay. Okay. Still waiting. We got a little bit more of time. Guys, for next week, I want you to read. I know some students told me that they haven't gotten the buku IPA kelas 9, but browse the internet and read about the natural vegetative reproduction of plants. Okay, reproduksi vegetatif alami. Tolong baca di internet. There you will read about rhizomes, stolons, bulb, buds, tuber, whatever. Oke, okay? Kamu akan membaca di situ tentang rhizoma, stolon, geragi ya, kemudian umbi lapis, tunas, tunas ketiak dan sebagainya. Ya, reproduksi vegetatif alami pada tumbuhan. Tolong dibaca buat minggu depan. Oke, okay? Come on. Nobody else wanna share the thoughts? Come on, is it the network or what? There's a chat. This collaborate board is waiting for teachers. Oh, so I guess you were, yeah, there was a something that prevented you from inputting your thoughts, and the time is up. So I guess I'm going to wrap up today's meeting, everyone. So I'm going to first stop sharing, and